Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, inspect the pregnancy test foil for tears, and confirm the expiration date. Put on clean hands or gloves because oils and moisture matter. Place the sealed test upright on a small paper or plastic platform inside the container, then add 1 to 3 food-grade silica gel packets around it, not directly taped to the foil, to reduce ambient humidity. Do this immediately, so the desiccant can keep cartridge reagents dry. Once done sealing, place the container in a stable, room temperature spot away from sunlight and heaters. Rapid temperature swings cause condensation. Make sure the lid is tightly closed so the silica lowers relative humidity around the test. If your silica packets include a humidity indicator, visually confirm they are active. Replace if saturated. Label the container with the date and how many packets you used so you know when to refresh desiccant before use. When you're ready to use the test, open the container and immediately inspect the foil pouch for any signs of dampness or discoloration. That tells you if the desiccant worked. If you see moisture, do not use the test, discard, and take a fresh one. Make sure to replace silica packets every 1 to 3 months or when a humidity indicator changes. Troubleshooting tip: an invalid or faint control line usually means moisture damage. Always repeat with a new, properly stored test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.